I just finished writing my codes, so these are the codes, and let's test them if they run perfectly. Yes, these are the results we should get. So it's true. I put debugs, and it's not gonna, our debug is not gonna work for here, but let's put on debug. I'm gonna talk about line by line. We don't have this one. We don't need to have this one. Okay. Now, class list T. This code defines a generic linked list data structures in Java. Yes, this line declares a generic class list with a type parameter T. Yes, this class represents a linked list where each element has a generic type T. And for here, these lines declare two private instance variables. Head, it goes for variable holds a reference to the first node in the linked list, and size is for variable keeps track of number of elements in the linked list. And yes, for here, this block defines a static nested class node T within the list class. Each node object represents an element in the linked list. It contains two files, data and next. Data file holds the data of the node, which is of type T. Next file holds a reference to the next node in the linked list. The constructor initializes these files with the provided data and sets the next reference node. And yes, for here, this is the constructor of the eldest class. It initializes the head reference to null and sets the size to 0, indicating an empty linked list, we can say. And yes, we're here. This method adds a new element to the end of the linked list. If the linked list is empty, head equals to null, it creates a new node with the provided element and sets it as the head of the list. What can we say? Otherwise, I can say it traverses the list to find the last node and appends the new element as the next node of the last node, I can say. And as you can see, this method returns the size of linked list, which is the number of elements it contains. So, and this one retrieves the element at the specified index in the linked list. It first checks if the index is valid. What do I mean by valid? Our range is supposed to be between of 0 and 1. Then it traverses the list until it reaches the node at the specified index and returns the data of that node. So that's the breakdown of my code. It essentially, in this part, it implements the basic functionalities of a linked list. This is how a linked list works: adding elements, getting the size, accessing elements by index. And now our job is here. And now we are with the second part of the code. Let's run in this debug mode. Okay, so I will start with this. This line declares a public class named list_test and public static void main string args main method, which serves as entry point of Java. And yes, now we're here. This line creates a new instance of the list class with type parameter integer and assigns it to the variable list. And let's go for it. Okay, right now it's null, it's empty. So these lines add 3 integers, 1, 2, and 3, to the linked list using the add method. Oh no, not this place. I am talking about this place. Yes, this place. These lines add 3 integers, as I said, 1 to 3, to the linked list using add method. Let's see if it's gonna add. I don't get it. Why? Oh, because I forgot to delete the debugs from here. I'll just stop my debug and let's do this right. Let's close this one. I put so many. Okay, now we're all clean. Okay, I will start the debug again. Yes, right now size 0 at null, and now it added 1. As you can see, data equals 1, but next is null, and let's go. We get the size 2, and here we go, size 3. Value 1. Yes, as you can see. And I will talk about this part. System out println initial list plus list. This line prints the initial state of linked list since there is no specific toString method defined. It will use the default toString method inherited from the object class, which prints the object's hash code. And this one, what is this? Yes, it's great. This one prints the size of linked list using the size method. As you can see, our size is 3, 1 to 3. And this one, this line prints the element at index 1 of the linked list using the get method. It retrieves the element at the specified index and prints it. So, yes, for 0, 1, and 2 index. So in summary, list_test class is used to test the functionality of list class. It creates a linked list of integers, adds element with prints the initial list, prints its size, and retrieves and prints an element at a specific index. So that's all for today. See you.